Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by deciding what the app must do for one user type. This narrows choices quickly. Pick a platform that fits form factor and data needs, then create a new project. Once done, import a CSV or add 5-10 sample records to model data relationships. This lets you build interfaces against real inputs. Make a basic page layout for the single core flow and add the first interactive element so you can test behavior immediately. Now you implement the core logic that makes the tool useful. Create the data model and link fields to UI elements. This ensures the interface writes and reads the right values. Next, add validation and conditional visibility so the app behaves predictably as users interact. Once those pieces work, build workflows, map triggers to actions, include clear success and error paths, and test each flow with sample records. Make incremental saves, and you finish by refining the experience. Adjust spacing, add labels, and confirm responsiveness so users on phones and desktops get the same flow. Then configure permissions, connect integrations, and publish or export. Once published, run a quick checklist with real users to confirm tasks complete without error. If something breaks, start troubleshooting by checking data bindings, validation rules, and workflow conditions. Those 3 areas resolve most issues. If needed, roll back to the last working version and reapply changes more deliberately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.